This video will be how to use the mortgage calculator. So the mortgage calculator, they're going to give you a situation, and you're going to use that information and plug it into the mortgage calculator online. So the situation is Carol is buying a house for $415,000. She has no down payment. Interest rate is 2.75%. Property tax is $2,100. PMI is 0.5%. Monthly HOA is 0. And home insurance is 0. She's also doing a 15-year mortgage. So a lot of information to plug in. Once we plug it in to the calculator, we need to find the monthly payment and how much she will pay in interest. So here's the mortgage calculator website. We need to focus on this gray box for now. There's a lot of ads and stuff you can ignore. We just want to plug in all this information. The home value was $415,000. The down payment was 0. The loan amount you can ignore. The loan amount is calculated using home value and down payment, and the calculator does it automatically. Interest rate was 2.75%. The loan term was 15 years. The start date we can ignore. The property tax was $2,100. PMI was 0.5. Home insurance we wanted to change to 0. And monthly HOA is 0. So some of these will be different for every question. Home value will change, down payment will change, interest rate will change. Loan term will either be 15 or 30 years. Property tax will change. I think PMI is pretty much the same for every question. And I think home insurance is either going to be the 0 or the 1,000, and the monthly HOA will remain the 0. But it'll tell you in every question what to type in and what to leave how it is. So then we hit calculate. It's going to refresh the page with that information, and we have to scroll down to find the info we want. So on the mortgage repayment summary, we're going to ignore a lot of this information. The information that you would be asked about is either total interest paid, total tax paid, total of 180 payments, or if you put in a 30-year loan, it'll say total of 360 payments. It's basically the total cost of the house over 30 or 15 years. And then down here, the monthly payment. We're going to ignore everything else. We don't need bi-weekly payment. We don't need up here the payment with PMI. Just those 4 things will be asked about. Every question will ask about different ones. This particular question wanted the monthly payment, $2,991.28, and the total interest paid, which was $84,667.86. So you would type those in, and those would be your final answer. So again, the only 4 that you might be asked about, every question will be different, and it'll say total interest, total tax, whatever it's asking for, will be these 3 or this monthly payment option. And that's how we use the mortgage calculator.